What's up guys? Today I am going to reveal my Z3ROX shakes. First get your clips. You can select 1:1 ratio. Then go to Effects and select Ripple. Place the effect on the clip. In first keyframe all to 0 expect speed and strength. Now in second keyframe all to 0. Duplicate it 2 times. Then apply to all clips. Speed up. Then apply camera shake. Place the effect on the clip. All 100, low. Duplicate it 3 times. Select all and apply to all clips. Result. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. If this helped, please like and subscribe. It would be really appreciate.